Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm making something extra special. Add 2 cups of oil. And chicken as well. Fry until color is changed. Like, share, and subscribe. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And fry again. This is really important step. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt. Now cut tomatoes in half and place it like this. And cover with lid for 10 minutes on low flame. Now you can remove upper layer easily. Now start mixing and mash tomatoes. Now add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes and Karahi gashed masala. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. And mix it properly. Look at the color at this stage. Add yogurt. And give it a good mix. Little bit of coriander. And masala-filled chilies. Cover for 3 to 4 minutes. Add more coriander and dish it out. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon for more easy and delicious recipes. See you in the next one.